I couldn't find a video to get the switch off of a 2014 Fiat 500 console electric window switch anywhere, so I thought I'd have a quick look at it, and it's not that bad actually. I've got a new switch, and then basically this top bit of the switch comes off, so you can just pop that out off of both sides. So that top bit comes off, and then you're left with this, the actual switch piece itself, which you can then prise off relatively easily. I did last time anyway. Let's have a quick look and see what we can do in here. See, and then that just all pops out. You just grab that, and then you can just unplug it from the back here. If it excludes the mess in the car, it's my daughter's car. So there you go. Then you get your new switch, complete with everything on it. Pop that in there, feed the cable back in, press it down, and you're done. No need for garages or anything like that. It's all pretty simple.